Made in China? No. Come on. Not made in China. Really? Is that made in China? Chinese iced tea. Hold on. That's my decal? No, reminder. What reminder? What does it say? Reminder. Look beneath the foam packing. Okay. Oh, okay. Fuel rail. Decal. All right. All right. Yeah, this has got to be the fuel rail. Those are the instructions, and there you go, don't you know? Yeah, black. Yeah. Alright, so maybe we'll do put new fuel rail. Get the fuel injectors, lube the O-rings. Alright, and then we get this. Oh. Right. Excuse the clutter. We're in the process of moving. That's fine. All right. There you go, don't you know? Yoga hosers. Yeah. Yeah. All right, hold on. All right. There you go. Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? It's a beautiful thing. Yeah. There you go. Don't you know? Yeah, that's all the money I saved buying products made in China. Beautiful. There you go. Don't you know? Looking down the barrel of a Holley Sniper EFi. Very nice. I would think it's made in America, but obviously not. That's fine. All right. Well, big whoops. Big whoops. Let's see the bottom of this thing. All right. These are your vacuum lines, fittings, and shit. Very nice. The second one, 4 years ago, four and a half years ago, I bought one. And what happened is, developed a crack. Cracked it. So it didn't crack wide open along the seam there. But it's fine. Updates to follow. Have a nice day. I celebrate the intake manifold in everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.